Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add your name on your iPhone lock screen. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If you want to display your name on your iPhone lock screen, each time your iPhone screen is locked, to pop your name, then this is what you need to do. Swipe at the control center, click on focus to open it. Now you need to go ahead and set up new focus. You can just go ahead and click on personal. Click on the plus button at top right. Then locate and click on custom. Just give this a name. So go ahead and select an icon and then type in your name. Once you typed in your name, then go ahead and click on next. Then click on customize focus. Now let everything stay as it is, and then that's it. Now when next you want to display your name on your iPhone lock screen, swipe down the control center, click on focus, then select your name. Now you see the focus mode enabled. Now when next your iPhone screen is locked, then you should see your name here. You see that? And this is not going to affect your normal call or other services on your iPhone, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to put your name on your iPhone lock screen. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.